Alright, y'all. So I was editing this video, this vlog, and I realized my hair is all over the place. It is doing its own thing. But y'all got to bear with me, because y'all know when I glam up, I glam up. But some days on these vlogs, I'm literally going to be looking a hot mess, because I'm not finna just spruce myself up just to go. I'm going to show y'all the real, honey. The real. But enjoy the vlog. And I don't know what my hair had going on today. I was tired. It still is tired. It's like, I don't even know what time it is. It's probably almost 11 now. And I just finished editing the vlog, and I'm going to throw this at the beginning. But yeah, bear with me with my hair, because my hair has its own mind, I guess, because no matter how much I tried to push it up, it literally just was everywhere. But anyways, good night. Every time I turn around, they talking about me. Every time I turn around, they talking about me. Every day I wake up knowing that somebody's gonna try and bring me down. But I don't let it stop me. It only makes me stronger. Oh my goodness. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Miss T here, coming at you with a vlog today. I literally just finished, excuse me. I just recorded part of my It Works video, the morning after I applied the wrap. And I am so tired. I am so tired. And I don't know why. I'm just tired. But I am about to probably lay right back down because I'm so tired. And my daughter's not up yet. So why not just lay back down for a little while until she gets up. And then I'm probably going to figure out what she's going to eat for breakfast. And then I'm going to continue on my day with working on getting stuff off of my phone because I have no space on my phone. So I'm using my other phone to record now because I have no space. I just literally took up the rest of the space with the YouFit. I'm talking about YouFit. Oh Lord, the It Works part of the It Works video. But and I know I'm saying so much. I'm half asleep still. Bear with me. But anyways, I will get back with you guys later on when we are fully up. Alright, y'all. So my plan did not work out. As soon as I got to lay down, she literally called me. So look who's up. Say hi, mommy.
Hi, mommy.
No.
Mommy.
What?
Hi, mommy.
You so goofy.
I said hi, mommy.
Yeah, you said hi, mommy. So she's eating breakfast right now. She's eating apples, and she probably will get some cereal or some Gerber Puffs. And I don't know what I'm going to do. It's probably going to be something light because I'm doing this It Works process, and I don't really want to eat too much. So, yeah, I don't know. But I will catch you guys up later. Okay, say later.
Later.
The process. The process. Oh, the process is real. So y'all, she saw me working on my computer. She wanted to go get her computer. She is so cute. She need to get her butt up and go get in the tub. Alright, Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm finna eat a bowl of cereal. Oh, y'all can't see. I'm about to eat a bowl of cereal. My baby has the biggest appetite ever. She literally just ate a bowl of apples, a bowl of puffs, and now she's eating a bowl of cereal. This girl can eat. Somebody wanna? Cause ain't nobody got money like that to be. No, I'm just playing. I would not trade my baby for nothing. She can eat a cow if she want to. But anyways, I'm going to go eat my cereal and I will get back with you guys later. Alright, y'all. After trying to get her situated, I don't even know. This little girl has been eating all morning. The heck is that? Hold on. I don't know, mommy. She asked me what was that. I don't know. I don't know, mommy. Okay, hold on. All right. I don't know what was going on. She was asking me who was that. But I don't know. We heard some noise. It came from outside, but I don't know. Anyways, she's in the tub right now. I am finna to find her something to put on. And then, who knows what the day holds. And I still have to find me something to put on. I don't know. I'm still tired. As y'all can hear the little Chinese baby. I don't know what that was, but yeah. Yeah, she be speaking some other languages that I don't know about. But y'all will soon realize that she has a very vivid vocabulary. So, yeah. It's what? It came from outside? Yes, it did come from outside. But anyways, I'll get back with you guys later. He is wearing this actually came from Amazon. It was a set. There's some tights to go to this. And this is some shorts from Walmart that will be in her baby summer clothing haul. So, yeah. And then these little shoes that came from Walmart that she is so in love with. As you can see, she's worn them so much and she only got them this summer. So, yeah. Yes, mommy, I am coming to give you some soap. Here is her clothes. And there she is. I am about to eat a cheese bagel. And then I'm going to probably relax. This is probably going to be my lunch because I'm kind of full. I have I've drunk two 23-ounce bottle, almost 24-ounce bottles of water. And I am practically full, but I'm a little hungry, so I'm just gonna eat this. And yeah, chill out until baby girl wake up. So we are up from a nap. I ended up falling asleep also. I am about to get her some lunch, and then I'm going to clean the kitchen so I can cook dinner. But anyways, we got cut off for some odd reason. I don't know. But as you can see, I am dragging today
It's a booger nose.
It's a booger nose.
Yes.
Ew, you got a booger nose?
Yes.
You need to wipe that booger nose then.
Okay.
Look at this child.
Wipe a nose.
What?
Yep, I neck a nose.
Wipe the booger nose.
No.
Yes, wipe the booger nose.
No.
Okay.
Wipe a booger nose. I say hi to Mama. Hi, Mom.
You're not supposed to say hi, mommies.
I want to say hi, Mommy.
You're supposed to be saying hi, guys. Hi, guys.
I say hi, guys.
Okay.
Hi, guys.
Say, I just woke up from a nap.
I woke up from that.
Now I'm finna eat lunch.
I'm better for
Okay. Talk to you later.
Talk to you later. I'm gonna press the button.
Okay, press that one. Yes, hold on. Yeah, I fell off the tripod. No, eat your noodles. Well, you asked for it, so you gonna eat it. Clean, clean. Now time to cook. I am about to cook me some stew meat, and I might just take y'all along with me. Who knows, depending on how my tripod acts, because I was trying to record some footage of me cleaning the kitchen, and my freaking tripod kept throwing my phone. So we're gonna see how this work. But yeah, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I have my plates. This is my cutting board, my meat, my knife, and I have my pot to put my meat in, and I am going to cut these up a little smaller because little Miss Mouth over there, she don't particularly like big chunks of meat, and she also had she was born with some struggles to the point where she had to learn how to use her jaw muscles. So yeah, I can understand why she don't like to have to chew so much, which I don't like to have to chew either, not that much, but so smaller chunks are better for her, so I like to do it that way. And it also makes more of a meal. I mean, more. And I cut it up smaller. So, yeah. I can't stand cutting up. Yes, Mommy. Get your milk.
Oh no!
Oh no, what?
My water.
Your water fell?
Yeah.
Well, pick it up. Now hurry up and get out my fridge.
Okay.
This is the first process I do. And then I would pick out my seasonings. I still don't know how I'm doing this yet, but y'all just gonna see with me, because I don't know how I still don't know how I'm gonna make this, but because I'm not making it like stew beef, I'm probably gonna saute it somehow. That don't need to be cut. I'm not sure yet though. And my wrist is already hurting. But we're gonna get through this. Little Missy.
Mommy.
What?
Where's the channel?
You can't, Mommy. There's too much stuff up here.
Okay.
Go watch Mickey Mouse.
I want more.
You want more what?
More water.
You got water in that cup.
More water. More water.
You got water in that cup, little girl.
No more water.
Y'all, look how much water in this cup. And this girl talking about she want more water. I don't know if y'all can see. Look at that. She still got a good amount in here, and she talking about she want more. Girl, if you don't get out my fridge, here. Give me my water.
Water.
Go, drink that first.
Okay.
Okay, well. Thank you. But I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to see me cut this meat this whole time, so I'm going to come back when I'm finished fully cutting the meat. Alright guys, as you can see, I have finished cutting up the meat. I am going to get, cutting up the meat and prepping it. I am going to get my seasons and yeah. Alright, so we have, first up, we have Italian seasoning. I mean, I said Italian seasoning, I meant seasoned mint tenderizer.
Ow! Ow!
Then we have onion powder.
Ow!
That's right, what's wrong with you?
It hurts.
What hurts? Then we have Italian seasoning.
Grab my elbow. Grab my elbow, mommy.
Can I wash your elbow?
Yes.
What's wrong with your elbow?
Grab my elbow.
You hit your elbow?
Yes. Grab my elbow.
Hold on, hold on.
Okay.
Then we have garlic powder. Then I always, for some reason, put a little bit of Everglade and seasoned salt, but I don't put too much of these both because this already has a lot of different seasons in it, but it always gives it a nice little blend.
Mommy, I can't close it.
You can't close what? And my hands are clean, so I am going to get in and I'm going to mix it around. And I'm actually going to put some water over this so it can make its own little gravy. And but I'm going to let it cook some, and then I'm going to put the water in. So I will get back with you guys when I start the cooking process.
Mommy.
Alright, so it's on. It's on, and I like to actually let it just sit over the fire with the top on until I feel like, oh, this ain't even the top. Oh, it is. Wait, no, it's not. What in the world? Okay, anyways. That is definitely the top for that pot. Why is it not fitting? Okay, somebody done bent the pot or something, because this is definitely the top for this pot. I don't know what happened. But anyways, so I like to let it sit on the fire with the top on and cook a little bit, and then I check it, swish it around, and then depending on how much I let it cook, I would then let it cook some more, or I will go ahead and put the water in. And sometimes I add a little bit of flour to give it a thickness, but not too much because I don't like my stuff to be extra thick. I like it to be a little watery a little bit. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and then I will come back. I was swishing before, making noise before I could even do anything else.
No, it's gonna scare me.
Who's gonna scare you? I don't want it to burn, so I gotta periodically, when it gets loud, I gotta stir it because I don't want it to burn. Or I don't want it to overcook in one spot. Zariah, say excuse me.
Give me, Mama. Mommy, give me. Mommy, give me. Mommy, give me.
This is why I don't too much add a lot, because as you can see, it kind of makes its own gravy with the seasons and stuff that I made. It makes its own juice. So I only add a little bit more water to it to and maybe, like, it depends on how I feel and how much gravy I want. I'll add the flour if I'm up to it, but sometimes I don't even add the flour. I just let it do its own thing. But I will get back to you when I start with the next step. This little Miss thing down here playing in the cabinet. Don't mind my floor, it needs to be swept. But look at this little thing in here.
What?
Say hey.
Hey.
Wave. Say hey.
Hey.
She likes to get up under there and pull out all the Tupperware. Or she'll get up under there and hide up under there. But yeah. So the meat is pretty much done. I am going to use one of these. We don't eat that much around here, so I typically use these because it's enough to feed us. So I'm gonna do that, and then I think, okay, so I'm probably going to do steamed corn or something of that nature, depending on I don't know. It's probably gonna be steamed corn because that's just what I feel like right now. And oh yeah, the bananas on the counter are actually going to be some banana bread, probably made tomorrow. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's why those very ripe bananas are still sitting up there. I am going to make banana bread, but I'm going to get this rice in the microwave because that's how it does. And then I like to actually do it in the microwave. It's already cooked. I do it in the microwave, and then I actually mix it in sometimes on the stove. Depending on how I feel, I like to go the extra mile and get those extra gravies and juices into the rice. So I will do the microwave, and then I'll put it in the pot with the meat. And I'm going to steam some corn, like I said, because that's how I feel. A corn day. Haven't had corn in a while, so I'm looking kind of crazy because I just opened the freezer, and the way I'm standing, the lighting is horrible. So yeah, let me go and find some corn in this freezer, and I'll get back with y'all. Okay, so I found my corn, and I know y'all, corn is not good for you, but guess what? I don't care. So they say corn is not good for you, but we're gonna do this and the stew meat with the gravy, and that is dinner for tonight. I was gonna make cornbread, but I honestly don't feel like it, so I'm just gonna do this right here and be done with it. And put the corn in because the corn takes the longest. to steam, so I put that in first and then I will put the rice in next. The corn is done. I got the scissors so I can cut it open. So now it is time for the rice. I have to take this off and everything is done. The meat is on the back of the stove. The corn I am going to put in this bowl so I can doctor it up. And yeah. So I normally would put a little bit of either salt or seasoned salt in my corn and butter, but today I'm just doing a little bit of seasoned salt, no butter. So yeah, that is it for that. The meal is practically done. I will show you the plates when I get done. Girls' food. I did not mix the meat in with the rice because certain meats she rather eat on the side versus in the food because it's easier for her to pick it up and eat it. So I did not put the meat in her rice. I'm going to mix mine up though. But I put a little bit of gravy over her rice and her corn, and she is ready to go. Here is my plate. I am about to sit down and eat. I have to get her water for her, and I'm finna go grub. I low-key kind of wish I actually would have made the cornbread because that would have just topped it all off. But anyways, I will catch y'all later. Mommy videotaping you. Yeah. Eat. Okay. Good girl. Okay, we done finished eating. I am about to give her a bath so she can get moisturized down very well and go to bed. This is one of her favorite parts of the day, majority of the time. But sometimes I give her a bath twice in one day because of the fact that if it falls on a day that huh? Oh, you want to say hi?
Guys. Hi guys. Welcome to Raya. Welcome to Raya.
Welcome to Zariah.
Welcome to Raya. I take a bath.
You finna take a bath?
I'll take a bath.
You covering the camera, mommy. Okay, what you gonna do when you get out the tub?
Okay.
What you gonna do when you get out the tub? You gonna get your clothes put on?
Yeah.
And you going to go to sleep?
Good.
Okay.
Okay.
Say night-night.
Night. Press the button.
Oh, I'm sorry. You want to press the button. Okay, press the button. Alright, y'all. I am about to go ahead and bathe her, get her ready for bed, and I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. That way, well, I'm gonna end the vlog here. That way I can go ahead and try to hurry up and edit as soon as I put her down for bed, and that way I can start uploading it so it can get up. It can be up for tomorrow. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye.